Okay, let's start with this. I'm hoping that everyone is audible in their screen. Okay, so let's start with this. How to create a account on the resumotion.com. So first you have to be open your browser, and here you have to type the resumotion.com. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is our website resumotion.com where you can create your resume, and as per your resume you can also apply for the job also. So first you need to be create your account. Okay, so create your account, you need to be first go to this button create resume, and if you have your Gmail account with the Google, so you can directly log in with this sign in as a Google, or you need to be a create a new account, so you have to be click this sign up button. So here I am creating a testing account for your demo features. Okay. You need an ID. Whatever the mobile number and the mail you are going to be registered in this account, it will be verified by the OTP verification on your the mail and the SMS number. So make sure the email and the number you are going to be giving this account that is correct. Okay. One more thing is option is like in which category you are creating your account, like industry, fashion, and the academic. These are the category which help you to categorize your templates based on it. So yes. Now you can see that whatever the mobile number I have registered it will be asking me the OTP for this. So this is just a dummy phone number, so that is not possible. I am going to be logging with this already created account. Okay. So after login, it will be redirected on your dashboard, whatever the account you are logging in. Okay. So this is your the dashboard where you will find your last click template and the section of your field data. So right now, if we goes to this resume that is already completed, but you want to be create a new resume, so you have to be go to this upload resume. So there are the two options available, whether you want to be upload your old resume and directly fetches the data from your account, or whether you want to be start from the scratch. Okay. So let's see both one by one. So if we are going to from the start from the scratch, so just click on this. So that will be redirecting on your form. Okay. So step by step, you need to be fill out this form like your personal details, educations, experience, project details, skills, and achievements. So these are the six compulsory fields you need to be filled. About these and in the new section you can add or more the sections if you want to be added. But there are the six sections which is compulsory. You need to be fill in this resume. Okay. So by clicking this preview button, you will check out that how your resume looks like. Okay. And if you want to be change the template, so here it is a template button. Okay. So clicking on this, you can select any template. So you need to be just fill the data once by uploading your resume or by filling form. That will be depend on the user, and you can change any template without any changes. Okay. There is no, And if you want to be change some changes on here later on, like you want to be some changes in this field, so you just click on this edit button and it will be redirecting your the form also. Okay. Now we are going to do this preview button again, and there are the template and the color option. The rearrange option is that if some of the section you want to be rearranged according to your choice. Okay. And the fonts size, line spacing, if the formatting you don't find to fit out according to your point of view, so you can change it at all also. So like if you have to be download this button, so that make sure that you have to be sufficient coins in your account. So first we will click this preview PDF, that will be show you the like how your PDF is going to be downloaded. So if you find that it is okay, so you can simply click on this download button. But if you want to be change this, so click on this back button, and you whatever the formatting or the addition you want to be apply on this template, you can simply change it. Okay. Now let's again go to the dashboard. So after the download, whatever the template you are going to download, that is visible to you, the last template. And after template making, you need to be there are the other services also if you want to be used, like you make your cover letter. So whatever cover letter you are choosing, just select the template, and other details it will be auto fetch. Only you need to be fill the company details, whatever the company you are going to be apply. So there are the two options, whether you can generate your uh, cover letter based on the job description. So if you provide a job description in this text area and click on this generate with AI, it will be automatically generate your cover letter. Your cover letter is ready. Just click on this update. Data successful. And it will be directly fetch the data, whatever the data it is your in form, it will be directly fetched by this template. If you want same the process like the template, you can change any template or the color formatting. Okay. Now, after making the template and the cover letter, we will also try to the mock interview. So, in the mock interview, you can start your preparation according to the job designation, whatever you are going to be applied. So, there are the three levels: beginner, intermediate, and expert. So, whatever the level you are choosing, that will be prepare the question based on this. After that, it will be asking you that what role you are preparing for. So, as I will type the software engineer. Now it will ask that whether you have the JD or you want to be start without JD. So there are the two options. You can choose any of them. Like, and after that, there is also the two options. Like you want to be give a mock interview where you have to be uh, start a 30-minute like actual interview, whether it's a virtual interview. You can type your question or whether you can record it. Okay. And other one is the prepare for interview, that will be generate some of the questions according to your job designations. Okay. So let's start with this first, prepare for interview. So based on the resume that is applied, that is stored in this account and the job designation, it will generate the questions for you. So there are the basically four rounds: HR round, technical round, the manager round, and the last one is also the HR round. Okay. So that will this process will take some time to generate all the questions for the for all the rounds. So after finishing that, you can see whatever the. Okay, so based on the position and the level, it will be generate our four rounds: HR round, technical round, manager round, and the last one is the HR final round. Okay, so you can check out this question to prepare for the interviews, and also you, if you want to be prepared for the mock interview, so you can also. This is the dashboard where you can check out all the questions you have generated current scenario. Okay, and in the mock interview. Same process start for the mock interview, but in the mock interview you need to be give the actual interview, like whether we are going to be attending the online interview. Okay, so that all the questions generated by the AI using your resume and the role. So let's see one more thing, like mock interview process also. To use the feature, you need to be sure that you have the sufficient coins in your account. So when you registered the resume with your mail and the number, that will be automatically give the bonus points for the free credits to use this resume services. So all of you create your account and use these features. And if you encounter any problem, so you can ask me about it. Okay. So that is the based on this resume. It is This is just introduction for like what we can do. Just with this concept. So this will feel like that you are giving the actual interview. That will make you to feel more confident in the interview by preparing for this questions. Okay. So is it ready to go? Next. So that is for your first round. Like, could you please introduce yourself, verify. So whether you can record your answer by clicking on this mic. So, like as I'm saying, okay. So by clicking on this mic, you can also record your answer and just click on the submit next. Okay. So this is like a virtual interview for you. And if you cancel this right now, so this test will be uh, cancelled. Okay. And if you have to be finished, you will go to the each round step by step. Okay. So right now, just finish this process. And in the mock interview, if you want to be see your results interview, so after completing the test, you will be directly redirect with your interview results. So right now, just I am showing the sample which kind of result you're going to be show out. Okay. Now come to the next again review motion. So after the mock interview and the cover letter, you can also analyze your resume, that the resume you made, whether it will be stand out in the according to your job role or the market or not. So for the resume analysis, like you have to be go to this generate button. So it shows that using this feature, you need to be deduct 300 coins from your account. So proceed now in this. It will auto fetches the resume you have made current just now. What are the weak points and the strengths in your resume, and what needs to be changes as according to your job position. It will be by section. Give you the actual content present in your resume, the strength points, and the improvement area. So this is a full report. You want to be check it out, and there is a scorecard for each section to stand out, and this is the improvement area that what needs to be improved in this resume. Okay, so based on this report you can also improve your report or improve your resume. So this is the critical analysis of your resume that will be basically check whether your resume is applicable as per your job designation or your experience, like ATS friendly, it's meeting the criteria or not. The other feature is the JD analysis. Like it will compare your resume based on the JD you are going to be apply on this resume. So let's go to again the dashboard. The resume analysis we see that is the critical analysis of single your resume. The JD-CV analysis provide you the resume comparison based on your JD. So we will type the job title. Suppose I am applying for the software engineer and the some job description. So let's go to this software.com to take some job references. So suppose I'm copying this JD for the full stack engineer and paste it to here. Now click on this generate button and it will analyze whether the technical skills and the work experience. Something is missing in this page. Okay. So this is the comparison based on your the JD and the resume. So this is the details that is available on the JD, and this is the details that you have to be mentioned in your resume. So before using this data, it will be making your a comparison chart whether you have to be change this or not. So this is the full report. Yes, you can check it out. Now this is the complete feature of like in the resume motion, you just not creating a you just not creating a resume. You can analyze your resume to prepare for interview with or the single resume. You can use all these features. Okay, and the last one is this digital resume. Like if you have to be share, you want to be share your resume with the URL like digital portfolio. So the data we are the data we have to fill using this data we can make our digital web URL. So just click on this create URL and it will give you the live URL of your web resume. So you can use this URL on any cover letter and any uh, resume whether you want. Okay. So this is the last. So I hope all understood what is the resolution. So first you need to be just create your account and use these all features. So you all give some free credit coins if you will make this account in the resume motions. Okay. And if you encounter any problem, you can contact with me. Okay.